Every missed call is a customer about to dial your competitor. So let's build the automation that saves them. The missed call text back in n8n, no code. You need three things. n8n, free. A Twilio phone number, a few dollars a month. And your Google Calendar. Step 1, the trigger. Twilio catches every call your business doesn't answer. Missed call in, workflow on. Step 2, the instant text back. Within seconds, the caller gets a message. Sorry, we missed you. What do you need? Reply right here, or grab a time with the booking link. Step 3, the conversation. Wire the replies into an agent node loaded with your services, your hours, your prices, so it answers questions like a person would. Step 4, the booking. Connect Google Calendar. The automation offers open slots, books the one they pick, and texts a confirmation. And the guardrail. If the caller is upset or asks for anything outside the script, it stops and hands the whole thread to your phone with the full conversation attached. Let's test it. A call comes in, no answer, and the text back is already on its way. Reply, do you do weekend jobs? Answered, book me Tuesday morning. Booked and confirmed. That's the whole build. Missed calls turned into booked jobs while your competitor's phone rings out. Want the ready-made template? Email the address in the description with subject Kit. It's free. Rather have it built and hosted for you? Our site is down there too. Subscribe and drop a like. A new automation build every week.